Hello there. So it's very late at night, and I should definitely be sleeping because I have class in the morning. But I had an idea. I just realized before I went to sleep, I have a weapon that deals holy damage. So it should be able to. There you go. Do that. Now I'm not sure how good that is, honestly, but it counts as magic, or I'm gonna count it as such. And we're gonna go see if I can take out an enemy that is weak to holy damage. Now, this should be a mess because I've never used this before, and it literally just occurred to me that it exists. Well, let's go check it out. So we're gonna go fight the Death Rite bird. It should be somewhere near here, unless I'm very much mistaken. And it should be an interesting experience. Let's see if we can find it. Am I in the wrong place? I think I might be in the wrong place. I definitely think I'm in the wrong place. It should be for here maybe. Ah, there it is. So this is attempt number 1. We're gonna find out if this works. And if it works, yeah, it should be right here. There it is. Alrighty, let's try this out. We'll see the damage. We'll see how this works. Okay then. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Missed and got smacked for it. I don't even remember what I put in my... That is okay damage. Let's go. Where the fuck is the bird? Oh. Great. Let's go. Wonderful. Peachy. Let me see if I can heal a little bit. Run away. Yeah, let's keep going. Oh boy. Oh. Oh no. No. Come on. Let me go. Stop it. Can you, like, stop? Come on, then you ugly son of a bitch. Let's go. Oh, fuck. No. Ooh, that was just pure luck, I'm not gonna lie. Wonderful. I am not gonna slip up. Oh, come on. So close. Come on, there we go. Oh, guess I can go to sleep now. That's one less spell for the run. Angel Wings down. We got the Sacrificial Axe, which I think has a unique spell on it. Well, a unique Ash of War. Let me see. Wild Strikes. No, I don't think we can use that. Oh well. We'll see if we can figure it out next time. But there we go. That's one more boss down. That's the Death Rite bird in the Weeping Peninsula. And the Ash of War was the Angel Wings. So there we go. Good night, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day.